You can see what are the next set of functions like insert. So I want to insert an element at a particular place and I want to find the count of occurrence of a particular element, right? Insert count. So let's see what are the other things. You have insert count and then index, pop, sort, reverse, remove, remove, right? So insert and then the index. So let us see all these things. So now I want to insert. If you do like append, it is going to add the element at the end only. Now I want to do it in between. Then how can I do it? So that is where insert comes into picture. So marks dot insert. See, I want to insert at the say 0, 1 second position some other thing. So second position, you can mention the position and the value. So what is that I want to value? Suppose one more guys I corrected 22. So this is how you can use the insert. And then you can after insertion you can check it after insertion. See now you can see, let me go to the variable explorer marks. So you can find originally we had 20, 25. See 22 came in here, right? So let me add some more thing because I want to check the count and all. Let me add some more element with the let append. Okay, so I say marks dot append. I want to add some more person with 23 and 25 and then someone else got 25. So let me add these things. So now I know like 25, there are 3 students who got 25, right? So now I want to do the count. So say marks of count of, I want to get the count of 25. How many times 25 is there? If I run this, you can say it gives me 3.